What is up, everyone? Thanks for joining me. I am going to do a watering with some feed. Got 2 scoops of Green Rush Grow in there already. I know it's not much. This is just going to be a light feeding. I've got tons of amendments already in the soil, so I got to be careful. Next up is the Humic acid with Fulvic acid as well to blend. We're going to be doing 5 mils per liter. If I'm going to estimate how many liters are there, 8. Got about 8 liters there. So we'll go 8 times 5, 40 mils. This stuff is pretty cool. It'll increase your nutrient uptake. It binds to the nutrients, sticks right to them, makes them more available to your plant. Okay, so we're going to do 4 of these, 4 10s. Let's see if I leak it everywhere. Yeah, get it everywhere. Fuck. Whatever. That might be a tiny bit less, but I'm going to end up getting it all over the tent. Okay, so I put a bit of pH down there already. I need to pH my water. My water sits at about 8.5 out of the tap. I'm looking for 6.3, 6.5. 6.3, 6.5. And that is 6.5. Check the ppm. Now 460, I know that's not high or anything, but you got to remember, my soil is chock full of good stuff. And if I overfeed with my liquid, well, you all know what's going to happen then. Horrible. Lockout. Toxicity. No thank you. I'll set you up and we'll give the ladies, how much are we giving today? Say 1.5 liters each. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. We are in the tent. This has got to be my favorite place. I don't usually water like this. I usually sit on the outside of the tent, or stand on the outside of the tent. But when I can get in here, meaning when they're small enough, I like to get in here. Okay, so I'm going to give, said 1.5 liters, but this container is 1.25 liters. So remember, I've got the humic acid in here, which stimulates root growth. It'll help spread the roots deeper and absorb more. The humic acid also buffers your pH, prevents nutrient lockout by moderating the swings. I tell you, man, it's good stuff. You got to remember, it feeds microbes. Acts like a food for the beneficial soil biology. It's good stuff, man. Okay, these 2 ladies needed it the most. I'll start explaining what the hell I have here. This here is the baby cakes by SOLFIRE Gardens. She's 52 days old. So I've stopped topping her. And she is what she is. I think I'm going to go another almost a month. 3 to 4 weeks of growth. And then I'll flip. So I'll bring this lady up. My light is set about 20 inches above the plant right now, and they're getting 550 for par as far as the photon app is concerned. Alright, same thing, 1.25 liters. And I'm going to get a bit on top of the root ball, but then concentrate around the root ball, get those roots growing, get them looking for water. This girl here is Night Terror OG by Rare Dankness. And I've topped several times, but she's staying as is. There's one here. One of the baby cakes is going to get topped today. Several times. I figure do this while I can, because eventually these pots won't be moving. I'll have a scrog on here. That's coming very shortly. This is the one I'm going to top. This baby cakes. But I'll wait until I water everything. Oh, look at her just drinking it up. Oh, yeah. Everything's going to be bottom watered. Eventually, I've got trays. Plant trays under all these. Tent is sitting between 60 and 65 for humidity. Trying to bump that up a bit. Hope everybody has themselves a good evening. A good weekend. That's all the tent work I have to do for today, I believe. But I'm going to be back in here another half dozen times or more, smoking up and just checking these ladies out. Day 52. Day 52. Peace, everybody. Have a good night.